Yuresh, thank you so much for joining us. We'll take your leave for now, right now, as we look at wrapping up today's trading action. There's only one way you can say this: a fresh record high, Reliance and the rest. That's exactly how one can sum up today's trade. Reliance hit a fresh record high, and as a result of which was the top contributor. Almost 65% of Nifty's gains came by on account of Reliance. Bharti Airtel was the second gainer in terms of the top gainers on the Nifty today. And then we did see the Nifty Bank do well as well. The Nifty Bank expiry or settlement was right in the middle of the 52,500 to 53,000 range that the option writers were positioning themselves for. And that's because despite the up move that we saw in ICICI Bank and others, HDFC Bank still ended just below the flat line. Among the stocks that were underperforming in today's trading session, Apollo Hospitals was down about 3%, the top Nifty loser. Brokerages believe that maybe hospital growth won't be as good as it was a couple of years ago. We have M&M, which was lower as well. Some bit of profit taking in the auto space. Tata Steel, Hindalco, some of the metal names not doing particularly well as well.
Okay, let's talk about the mid-cap action. The mid-cap index ends in the red with a negative advance decline ratio. Talking about the big winners today. Mazgaon Docks, which has got a Navratna status, so that's flying up 3% up on that. Vodafone Idea is up close to about 4%. Textile names like Gokuldas Exports, Arvind Fashion, C buying. Prince Pipe, a Nuvama note today initiating coverage with a buy. Target price 820. So the stock did quite well in trade. On the losing side, CE Info Systems and Sanghi Industries. Two stocks where we saw some block deals. CE Info, promoters sold a little less than 1% stake. The stock ends with a cut of close to about 5.5%. Outside of that, Ujjivan Small Finance Bank is now down 9%. This week. Remember, over the weekend, they spoke about how stress is rising in the MFI sector. The credit cost is likely to increase. They brought down their growth forecast. So Ujjivan Small Finance Bank, Vedanta, under pressure, ending with a cut of 2.5%.
Well, broader market, I think, is really what caught my attention. So as you guys said, I mean, the frontline indices, it's RIL, that's 80 points, and you got ICICI Bank and Bharti between them another 50-60 odd points. So that's about 140 odd points, and that's pretty much the market. But the broader market the indices won't tell you, but very, very vibrant screen with a very long list of volume-led gainers, which we will continue to discuss here. So, it's a wrap on this edition for now here on Closing Bell, but we take the market programming forward on the other side. Market